to 181 Matthew Flinders Drive in Lammermoor. Let's check it out. I'm absolutely obsessed with the rake ceilings and feature woodwork throughout, not to mention the beautiful finishes like the plantation shutters. Offering space, character and a plethora of entertaining areas, I absolutely love this wraparound balcony and how it connects effortlessly to the kitchen and dining area. So there you have it for 181 Matthew Flinders Drive in Lammermoor. If you're looking for your piece of coastal paradise within a minute's walk to the beach, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.